everyone, happy Sephora Play Box Day. Alright, so I don't have much of a review because I did not put makeup on at all the last month. So I'm still staying at home with my little baby and don't really have reason to put makeup on when I'm at home all day. So I have a little bit of review, but not a ton. I still am really excited to try all these products, and I'm going to keep them kind of in the front of my makeup collection so that you know, in a month from now when I do go back to work, I will kind of use these things first to try them out, but I'll just jump right in. So first thing that I actually did use was this Belief Moisturizing Eye Balm, and this was like an eye cream, and real like light and fluffy. I really liked this. I used it as a day and night. However, I did prefer it as a day. I didn't put makeup over the top of it, but I can see that it would be a good moisturizer for makeup to go over the top. It was kind of that like slightly water-based, but not so water-based where it like disintegrates and you feel like you didn't do anything. So I really liked this. I would definitely recommend that for a daytime eye cream. And then the rest of the items I didn't end up using. So I didn't end up using the Pharmacy Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm because I never wore makeup. However, I have tried this sample before and loved it. And I will actually probably be purchasing this whenever I do need a new cleansing balm. I liked it that much. I had gotten this Chloe perfume, which I didn't use because I didn't wear perfume at all this month. I had gotten a Sephora lipstick in a beautiful burgundy color, which I didn't use, but I will. I love that color. I'll probably use it right away when I first go back to work because now that it's getting to be spring, that's not really like a spring color. I had gotten this Laura Mercier Rose Gold Caviar Eye Stick, which I've tried these in the past and I absolutely love them, but I love this color. It is beautiful, so I'm so excited to use this. This is the kind of thing that I'm going to love when I go back to work because it'll be like swipe, eyeshadow is done, and I don't have to spend time on it because I know that my mornings are going to be cut way shorter than they used to be. And then the last thing was this NARS Let's Go Crazy Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. And again, I have tried this formula before, just not this color. It looks like a beautiful spring color. I cannot wait to use this. But yeah, just haven't yet. I do know that I like this formula though. All right, and then last month everything came in this super cute little bag. All right, so jumping into this month. So this month, everything came in this bag, and it's very like light and flimsy. It's almost like t-shirt material. It's really soft. I like it. It's this beautiful blue marbly. Oh, and I love the straps are navy blue. Ooh. And then it says, beauty is my spirit animal. I like that a lot. I like how this one isn't like quite as structured. A lot of the bags like hold their shape. So this is kind of cool. All right, so first thing I'm pulling out is Sephora Matte Perfection Powder Foundation. Ooh, that's kind of cool. So it's this nice little like compact, and that looks like it might be an okay shade for me, a little bit on the yellow tone, which is what I am. It says shade 26 Natural Sand Sable, so that's usually somewhere in the range that I am. So that's exciting. I will definitely try that out. Let me take a feel. Feels very smooth. It's a little bit light, so I'm probably going to want to use it quick before I get any sort of color to my skin this spring, but it's still basically winter here, so it'll be fine. All right, next is Sephora. Ooh, cleansing water. I have heard that the Sephora cleansing water is really good, and I haven't tried it yet, so I'm very excited to try that. Can't remember where I heard that from, that it was really good, but I'm excited. All right. Next is the Briogeo Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. So, yeah, not something I use super often, but I'll have to try to give that a go. Probably not till after I go back to work because I won't really have a reason to volumize my hair while I'm at home, but oh well. Next is the Kula Organic Makeup Setting Spray with SPF 30 and hyaluronic acid. That's exciting. I tried one of their setting sprays before and I liked that it had the SPF in it. especially in summer. And then I kind of saved it for days when I was like really outside a lot as kind of that extra SPF boost. So I just want to spritz it and smell it because if I remember right, the last one that I tried smelled really good. Oh, no, this one smells like straight up hairspray. Wow. Not going to want to spray that on my face. All right, next is the Lancome Hypnos Drama Mascara. So I'm definitely going to try that. I'm not going to open it because it's probably going to be at least a month before I wear mascara again. So I don't want it to dry out before I get a chance to use it. So I don't know what the brush looks like, but coming back at you a month from now. All right, and then the last thing is the perfume, and it's called My Burberry Blush. Ooh, maybe I'll spray a little bit of that to kind of cover up my... Ooh, that smells really good. I like that a lot. It doesn't cover up the hairspray smell, but that's okay. All right, well, that is everything that I got in this month's Sephora Play Box. As always, I hope that you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!